Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Buse and I'm a personal injury and wrongful death attorney in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to be talking about pedestrian accidents. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the tactics that insurance companies use against pedestrians to avoid paying them maximum compensation, and how an attorney may be able to help you. So let's get right into it. And remember, if you find this content useful, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. So let's start out by talking about some of the common ways people get hit by cars in Orlando. Now, one of the most common spots where pedestrian accidents occur in downtown Orlando is in the crosswalks. And one of the main reasons people get hit in the crosswalk is because of distracted drivers. Texting and driving is a huge problem, and folks get hit by texting drivers all the time. And we all know how dangerous this is. Another huge issue is impaired driving, especially during nights, weekends, and holidays, and most of all, at night during the weekends and holidays. Now, when drivers leave the bars in downtown Orlando impaired, pedestrians are at a major risk of being run over. So, drunk driving is a big issue and a major cause of pedestrian accidents in Orlando. Now, another big problem is jaywalking. Folks walking across the street at inappropriate spots get hit by cars all the time, and it's often mostly or entirely their fault. Crosswalks are located in strategic spots, and these crosswalks are there to prevent people from wandering all over the road. Drivers need to know when to expect pedestrians to cross, and they can't be expected to dodge folks who are illegally jaywalking. Now, let's talk about some of the common injuries from pedestrian accidents. Unfortunately, head injuries are extremely common when a person gets hit by a car. Unlike a vehicle-on-vehicle accident where folks are surrounded by metal, or bicycle accidents where the rider might be wearing a helmet, pedestrians rarely have anything more on their head than a hat. Thus, when they get hit by a car, their head is very vulnerable to damage when it hits the vehicle or the concrete below. And a lot of people suffer concussions as a result of their head impacting a hard surface. Other common serious injuries people typically suffer in a pedestrian accident will include things like broken bones, especially wrists and ribs. Folks will often also suffer serious ligament tears, and ACL and MCL damage is very common. Another serious issue people face is cuts and lacerations when they impact the ground or the vehicle. Of course, less serious issues like bruises and scrapes are almost guaranteed when a person gets hit by a car. So what should you do after getting hit by a car in Orlando? Well, first things first, you should get medical treatment and do what your doctor tells you, because your health is the most important thing. You should also make sure to contact the police and get a police report. That way, if you choose to pursue a claim later, you have a document that shows when, where, and how that accident occurred. Also, if you feel up to it, you should take pictures and video of everything around you at the accident scene. Take pictures of the vehicle that hit you and its license plate, and take pictures of your injuries and everything around the area. Also, if there are any witnesses standing around, try to get their contact information. An eyewitness account can really help you with your case. But if that person disappears and you don't know how to reach them, well, you're out of luck. After the accident, you should also consider reaching out to an attorney, because the insurance companies will be calling you and they'll be trying to get your recorded statement, and they'll be trying to get you to sign things, and they'll do everything they can to build their case against you before you get representation so that they can deny your claim. Now, with an attorney by your side, you can be sure that the insurance company will not take advantage of you, or at least you should be able to feel that way. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you've been injured in a pedestrian accident in Orlando because of a negligent or careless driver, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to give you a free legal consultation and talk with you more about what happened. You can schedule your free consultation by calling us at the number below in the video description, or you can look us up at www.carelessdriver.com. We handle personal injury and wrongful death cases across the state of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And we're happy to help you however we can. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.